still in lesson 2 of the planning document. I've gone kind of slowly, hoping that it wouldn't overwhelm you guys. Today, I will show you how to express surds as entire surds, which is a bit of a mouthful, but basically it's a process of putting everything together under the square root symbol, like so. So I want you to just think first. The square root of 25 equals 5. I could rewrite this as 5 equals the square root of 25. The square root of 9 equals 3, and I could rewrite it as 3 equals the square root of 9. The square root of 16 equals 4. I could write it as 4 equals square root 16. So I've just found a way to write numbers under the surd symbol. How would I write the number 6 if I wanted it to be under the surd symbol? Do you see the pattern? I would square it and put it under the square root symbol. So 6 squared is 36, and I just put it under the surd symbol. Okay, so if we look at this surd, I've got a number out the front and a number under the surd symbol. How could I write this as an entire surd? So all together under the surd symbol. Well, the number 2, I could rewrite that as the square root 4. So I'll just do 2 squared, put it under the square root symbol. And then I've got multiplied by the square root 3. It's already under the square root symbol. And then my last step, I can just combine these using my first rule from the previous lesson. So 4 times 3, which equals the square root of 12. So there's that number expressed as an entire surd. So these are the written steps for writing surds as entire surds if you want to copy them down. So the first thing, square the outside number and put it inside the surd symbol. Then you can multiply the surds to combine them. If you're more of a formula person, I guess you could say this is a formula. So we square A and put it inside the square root symbol. Then we multiply it by the B, and then we combine it all under the one symbol. For example, the number outside, I need to square it and put it inside the surd symbol. So 5 squared is 25, put it inside the surd symbol, and then I'm just multiplying it by the square root 3. Now I can put it all together, so 25 times 3. 25 times 3 is 75. So now this surd has been expressed as an entire surd. We'll whiz through these last two examples. So the first thing I need to do is square the outside number. So 2 squared is 4. Put it inside the surd symbol, and then we're multiplying it by the square root 5. Put it all together, so 4 times 5, and 4 times 5 is 20. Done. Alright, next one. So I need to square the outside number, so 7 sevens are 49. Put it under the surd symbol, then we're multiplying it by 2. Combine them together, so 49 times 2, 49 times 2, 98. Alright, please do exercise 3A, question 7, all. Shouldn't take you more than a couple of minutes, and if you finish early, I would like you to have a go at this surds interactive website I've listed. You're just sorting them into true or false, see how many you can get right out of 10.